Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Golem coin using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Trust Wallet, then go to Wallet section, and at the Wallet section on the top of the screen, you will see these four icons: send, receive, buy, and swap. Now, if you want to get Golem, you can either buy it or receive it. Now tap on the one that you are interested in, start typing in Golem, and when you find it, you just have to tap on it, and it's going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Golem coins in your Trust Wallet. You can also use this QR code to scan it for yourself. If you have Golem coins or any other coins in different wallets, you can transfer it to your Trust Wallet by scanning this code. You can also use the copy icon, and this way Trust Wallet is going to copy automatically your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for the same purpose. The second icon on the bottom is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, as I did right now. And this way, Trust Wallet is going to generate for you a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you need to receive an exact amount. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.